Let's talk about common idioms with body parts. Number one, off the top of one's head. If you say something off the top of your head, you say it immediately without giving it a lot of thought. I don't know the answer off the top of my head. I'd have to look it up. Number two, like pulling teeth. If something is like pulling teeth, it means it's very difficult to do. Getting everyone to agree is like pulling teeth. Number three, on the tip of your tongue. If something is on the tip of your tongue, it means that you know that information, but at that moment, you can't remember it. Ugh, what is the name of that restaurant? It is on the tip of my tongue. Number four, to pick someone's brain. To pick someone's brain means to talk to someone in order to get information or helpful advice. You got a minute? I need to pick your brain about something. That's it for today. Can you think of any other idioms with body parts? Let us know in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time.